प्लीज दे.
झालं झालं.
काय फोन हवा मला.
त्याच्यानेच कर टॅबने.
टॅबलेट्स करते ना.
Good evening, sir.
झालं का नाही?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Knees up, knees up.
Yeah, we'll be starting in a minute.
So we
Sir, what all papers are we going to do today?
Yeah, we'll be resuming from the last paper which we had, where we had stopped last time. Okay, and see, I have given you few questions as homework. Okay, and I have solved few questions in the classroom. So I'll request whatever homework you like, whatever homeworks I've given, you might have solved. By chance, you might be having some kind of doubts in those questions. If you have doubts, you just mark those doubts and keep it with you. So after we solve a few papers, we'll be having a doubt solving session. Okay, mostly towards the end, we'll be having a doubt solving session where you can ask your doubts. Okay.
So where can we see the recordings of the previous lectures?
I have sent a drive link to Ajinkya sir where the recordings are placed. I'll just show you how those recordings look like. Just a minute. Yeah. Mm. So when you'll open that link, I've sent Ajinkya sir a link. When you'll open that link, you'll be directed to this particular folder. In this folder, with respect to the date itself, you'll find the recording. Okay. For example, if today's recording you wish to find, you will have to go. I'm just creating a folder with today's date, 16/6/2024. So inside this folder, you'll find today's recording. Inside 8 folder, you'll find 1, 2, 3, 4, part 1, 2, 3, 4, which are that day's recording. Okay. Yep. 2010's paper.
Sir, which paper are we going to do today?
Yeah, just trying to recollect. In the previous class, we had solved few questions from 2010, I believe, right? Trying to recollect how many questions did we do.
Sir, in the previous class, we had been there till, I guess, seventh question. Yes, seventh question.
Seventh question. Okay,
Yes.
that's great. So let's continue from eighth question, my dear children. So today we'll be continuing for those who are asking, we'll be continuing from 2010's paper, question number 8. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, question number 8 goes like this: some boys and some girls of a class. So, as you know, the procedure will be same. Few questions I'll be solving, few questions I'll be asking you to solve and give me the answer. Few questions I'll be giving you as a homework. Okay. Some boys and girls of a class decide to visit a factory. Initially, 40% of the group are girls. Shortly thereafter, two girls leave and two boys join the group. Then 30% of the group are girls. How many girls were initially there in the group? So this I'll give you 1 minute. I want you to solve and give me the answer. Not only the answer, but also the procedure which you have used to find the answer.
Sir, which question we are doing?
Question number 8, my dear children. 8. Here it is, this question.
Sir, 8. I use trial and error method.
By trial and error method, you found that initially there were 8 girls. So you might have done like this. So 8 girls were there.
Sir, for this question, I had done the trial and error method, which was fastest instead of making an equation.
Okay. So how did you wait, Dhaval?
Sir, I have a doubt. What about the question number 4, 5, 6, and 7?
Mm, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Did I give them as homework? Because I
No,
was
sir.
Sir.
No, sir. We have to do
Sir.
from 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to
Oh,
do
I
them.
see. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. I remember we were in 2010's paper, but I was trying to reconnect which question was the last question we were doing. Let me just go through
Sir,
questions
the
4, 5,
last question we did was question 3.
question 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Then,
Sir,
dear children,
question is done.
okay,
It's 6:13
let's,
p.m.
since we have started with question number 8, let's complete question number 8. Then we'll go to question number 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. After 8, we'll go to 4. First, let's complete it since we have started it. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, somebody was trying to say people used trial and error method. Okay. You got the answer as 8. Okay. Agree. Any other methods?
Sir, I used equation method.
Equation method. So those who use
So there's
equation
an easier way.
easier way. Okay. First, let me
So
listen to the
10% of the
Sharvi, I'll listen to you. Don't worry. Equation method. What did you do? I just want to listen to you guys. Then I'll
yes,
listen
sir.
to Sharvi also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, first means I took some boys and some girls. So total I took as X.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just wrote that 40% of X. So 40 by 100 X.
Mm-hmm.
is the initial girls.
ठीक
So
है.
when we subtract it from 2, so 40 by 100x minus 2 is equal to 30 by 100x. X will remain constant because 2 girls leave and 2 boys join. So total will be minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So total will remain the same only. So after solving, I get that x is equal to 20. So initial girls will be 40% of 20, which is 8 girls.
Okay. So 40% of 20 is equal to 8. ठीक है. Now, somebody was going to suggest a shortcut. Please go for it. Okay. Before Sharvi, you start. I'll just explain. If others might have not got this solving, I'm just telling you what did she do. She considered X as the total. Okay. So total number of students is X. Then 40% of the total is basically girls. So 0.4 is nothing but 40% for your kind information. So 40% of X is equal to 0.4x. So going forward, you can directly write it as 0.4x. They are girls. Now, after some time, two girls leave. So 0.4x minus 2. Okay. That is equal to 30% of the total number of students. The total still will remain same because when two girls left, two boys joined. So minus 2 हुआ, लेकिन then plus 2 भी हुआ. Hence, the total value will remain the same. That is x itself. Hence, the new number is also 0.3x. Now, when I solved this, I took 0.3 to left hand side. So 0.4 minus 0.3 became 0.1x. The 0.1x is basically 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 को उस तरफ लेके गया तो multiplied by 10 हो गया. That is x is equal to 20 मिल गया. Okay, I got x is equal to 20. So if the x, which is total number of students, is 20, then 40% of 20 is 40 divided by 100 multiplied by 20. When you solve it, you will get the value of girls as 8. Okay. So this was the procedure which was used to solve. I'm just explaining. Now, somebody, Sharvi, you were suggesting a shortcut. You can please go ahead.
So yeah, in my method, 40% of the girls are 40% of the people are girls. Two
Mhm.
left. So 10% is two people. Okay, so 40% divide by 5 because 5% is equal to one person. So that way you get 8.
40% is girls, two left, then two left, two means 10%. Okay, understood. So what was Shavi's method? So Shavi observed initially there were 40 percentage. I'm just explaining it to everyone. Then there were only 30 percentage. So the difference is basically 10 percentage of, let's say, total number is X. And the 10 percentage is, sorry, yeah, 10% is of X is equal to 2. When 2 left, this happened, which means 40% will be 10% अगर x होगा तो 40% will be 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 4 will be your answer. That is 8.
Yeah,
So that is
that will
also
be
a
2
correct
times 4, which will be 8.
Correct. Correct. Excellent method. So both the methods are absolutely correct. You will get answers using both the methods. Obviously, the second method is a shorter method as compared to the first method. So whichever is convenient, you can use it. Okay. Now let's go to the fourth problem, dear children, and see like how is it done. Fourth question. The sum of three numbers is 20. The sum of the first is 4 times the sum of the other two. The second is 7 times the third. What is the product of all three numbers? So first of all, we'll have to find all three numbers. I'll name those numbers as x, y, and z. Okay, x, y, and z. Okay. So first of all, we know that x plus y plus z is equal to 20. Now the first one is 4 times the sum of other two. So x is equal to 4 times y plus z. Sum of the other two, मतलब bracket के साथ. You should always remember that. The second one, that is y, is equal to 7 times the third. So y is equal to 7z. So we are asked, what is the product of all three? So let's do one thing. Let's substitute it over here. And मतलब substitution, you can do substitution and find the answer. So you can substitute y is equal to 7z over here. That gives you x is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. 8 into 4 is 32z. y is equal to 7z. So when you will add all three of them, 32z plus 7z plus z gives you 40z is equal to 20. That says z is equal to 0.5. Now, once you know z is equal to 0.5, you will know that x is equal to 60. You will know that y is equal to 7 multiplied by 0.5 is 3.5. You just have to multiply all three of them. So 3.5 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 0.5 should give you the correct answer.
So I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, after x is equals to 32z, how did we get it as 40z?
I basically added all three of them, my dear child. X, y, and z. So this is basically x plus y plus z is equal to 20. So instead of x, I considered 32z. Instead of y, I considered 7z. 32 plus 7 is 39.
Okay,
Plus
got it.
1z is 40.
Thank you.
Yeah. So x multiplied by y multiplied by z gives you 28. I believe it is clear.
Sir, can you wait for 2 minutes? I have to write this.
Sure. This is fourth question. So shall we proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go for the fifth problem. I'll give you 1 minute. I want you to solve and let me know what answer you're getting and what formula are you using.
Sir, is the answer 50 upon 101?
Okay, I'll confirm the answer in the end itself so that I'm not giving away answer to anyone.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So some guy got 50 upon 21. So what was your logic? 50 upon 101, sorry. What was your logic?
So I use the formula n into n plus 1 upon 100. So to get the sum of numbers from 1 to 99,
Okay.
which came as 4950, and then I added x to it.
Mm-hmm.
So my equation came as 4950 plus x upon 100 is equal to 100x.
Okay. Now,
And then I solved.
okay. See, there are, I'll give you a simple formula to solve this. So when you wish to find, sorry. So first of all, you are going to write the average. So average is always what? Sum upon the number of terms. Okay. In this case, the number of terms. So in this case, the average is set to be 100x. So instead of average, I'll write 100x. Okay. And instead of sum, okay, I'll give you a formula for sum. I'll just tell you, don't worry. Number is basically 100. There are 100 terms. 1 to 99, there are 99 terms, and there is one X term. When you add all of them, the total number of terms is basically 100. Okay. Now, sum of all the terms, how to find? So there is a very simple formula. The formula goes like this. I'll write it over here. When you know the first term is A and the second term is the last term, sorry. The first term is A and the last term is L. So the sequence starts from A and ends at L. Then the formula for the sum is basically n upon 2 in the bracket, first term plus last term. That's it. Okay. So in this case, we know the first term, which is 1. We know the last term, which is x. So this is last term. So instead of sum, I will write this particular formula. Now, what is n? N is total number of terms. In this case, the total number of terms is 100 upon 2. So I'll write 100 upon 2 multiplied by, in the bracket, first term. See, basically a plus l. First term is 1 and the last term is x. So all I have to do is solve this. That's it. So in this case, I can easily cancel 100 from the
Sir?
numerator as well as denominator. Yeah, tell me.
So what does n stand for?
N stands for the number of terms. How many terms are you going to add? Okay.
Sir, is this formula true for means if it is alternate numbers, adding alternate numbers, then also it is true?
Yes. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be
No,
true.
sir.
Wait, let me just think. Just a minute. Uh, because the difference is considered as 1. I don't think so. No,
So there's a different formula for that.
but wait, I'll just prove it and get back. Tell you right away the nth term, let's say n. Last term will be a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, and the remaining term should be the sum when I substitute instead of last term when I substitute this n by 2 a plus n by 2 in the bracket, again a plus n minus 1 d. So that should give me a n. Okay, 2a. So n by 2 I take common in the bracket, 2a plus n minus 1d. Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yep.
sir, I didn't get 50 upon 101.
Yeah, let us, I have not yet solved. Let me just solve.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain that again?
Yeah, this formula I'll explain. So
No,
average
no,
is
no, not the formula. Actually, not the formula. How you solve this problem?
yeah. I'll explain everything from the beginning. Okay. So average is equal to sum upon total number of terms. This is basically basic formula. The average is given as 100x. The number of terms is 100. Now the sum is equal to, there is a very simple formula. If the sequence is starting from A and ending at L, then the sum is equal to n upon 2 A plus L. Okay, that is first term plus last term. In this case, I have substituted this formula. So instead of n by 2, n is basically 100. So I've written 100 upon 2. In the bracket, I've written first term plus last term. The first term is 1 and the last term is x. Now I simply have to solve this and find the answer. So I'll cancel zeros. I'll take this 2 to the side. 2 multiplied by 100 gives you 200x. On this side, I have 1 plus x. Okay. And when I take 200 minus x gives me 199, x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 199. Wait, how did I get this answer?
Yes,
Then
sir, that's
actually
why.
x is
That's
not
why.
a consecutive term because because
Oh,
this formula
yeah.
only works for consecutive.
My mistake, my dear. I'm absolutely correct. X is not a consecutive term. So I'll have to rectify this formula. Yeah. So I'll use the same one, but average. Okay. So the average is 100x. It's still there. Denominator has n. Now the sum, in this case, okay, there is an x also. So first what I'll do, I'll find the sum of numbers from 1 to 99. Okay. So in this case, again, everything is going to be same. Instead of n, I'll write 100 in the denominator. Over here, instead of n by 2, I'll again write 100 upon 2. Just a minute. Yeah, 100 upon 2 multiplied by, in the bracket, I'm writing the first term and last term, where the first term is 1 and the last term is 99. So this is the sum only from 1 till 99. Okay. But there is one more sum over here, one more term over here. I'll put it as plus x. Okay. That x is not in sequence. So I'm putting it as plus x. Now I'm going to solve everything. The term, so this time I cannot cancel 100 directly because this 100 is multiplied to 1 plus 99. And then it has to be added to x. So first I'll add 1 plus 99. That gives me 100. 100 multiplied by 100 gives me 10,000 plus x. I'll take these two terms over here.
10,000 plus x on 200.
Correct. So 200 multiplied by 100 gives you 20,000. 2, 3, 4, x. I take x to the other side. That should give me, wait, again, is this going to give me the answer?
I don't think it leads back to the same.
Where did I go wrong? This was supposed to give you the answer actually. Okay, conventional method, when I go, sum is equal to, when I consider d as 1, 100 as 9, so that should give me 99. So 99 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 plus, I'm just confirming my answer, give me a minute. 98, that is 100. That should be the sum. It's 100. Oh, yeah. I think this was supposed to be total number of terms. That is 99. I might have made a mistake over here. This should be 99 because we are considering only 99 terms. So that should give me, I think we might get the correct answer. That should give me 9900. Okay. And when I take x to the side, I'll get 149. 10,000, 20,000, yeah, everything is correct so far, is equal to 9900. So that should give me x is equal to 9900 on 149. So
No, sir.
10,000 upon 20,000 is 1 by 2.
No, sir,
So
that
this is a
won't be the
bit,
answer.
I think 50 upon 100.
Sir,
Yeah, I'm listening.
Sir, can you ask the person who had solved it how he solved it?
I'm sorry. Person, acha.
Can
The person.
Sir,
Wait.
sir,
Yeah, I'm
I
listening.
have a
Beta.
solution.
Yeah.
Sir, in this formula, S is equal to n upon 2, A plus L, we can just fully expand and solve it, right?
Yeah, we
I
can
have a
do that,
question.
but there should be a shorter method,
No.
right? So I'm thinking of that shorter
Sir,
method,
sir,
frankly
So,
speaking. Yes, I'm listening.
I have a-
sir,
I'm
yeah,
listening.
sir. So basically, I have a question. So, is the answer the third option by chance?
No. It's not the third option. It's either I have a strong hunch that it is just a minute. I'll just confirm. Give me a minute.
Was so my method which I used was I calculated from 1 to 99, which is 4950, right? The sum, and then like I divided it by 99 itself.
Yeah, somebody was saying something. Uh,
Sir, using
sir, I wanted to say,
yeah, sir.
yeah, tell me.
sir, so with the formula you gave, I got 100x is equal to 100 plus 100x upon 100 into 2. So we got 100 upon 200, so that is 1 upon 2.
100 plus
Sir,
100x.
sir, here
Sir,
we can
sir,
just calculate the sum of first 99 numbers and then add it to x
yeah.
and then solve it.
I see
Sir,
your
I was
point,
saying
my
that
dear
only.
child. I see your point. 99,
So it will
100.
be like 4950 plus x is equal to 100.
So maybe x is denominator will be 1 plus x on 1.
Let me take the conventional method. 1 minute. I'll crack this in a minute. Not a problem. 99 upon 2. In the bracket, I'll write 2 plus 98. That is 100. So sum is. Now I got where was the mistake? This
So we
2 is
just
not a generic 2.
cut 2 and 100.
Yeah. So this 2, my dear child, is a part of the sum. The sum which is extending only from this point to this point. I mistakenly मैंने 2 नीचे लिख दिया. That's where the problem is. Okay, ठीक है. So now I take 100 this side, so I'll get 10,000. X is equal to 2 को I cancel with this 100. I'll be getting, I'll be getting 99 multiplied by 50 plus X, and 99 multiplied by 50 is 4950, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the answer is option number 2, right?
Yeah,
Sir?
looks like it. Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah. So so it's option number 2.
Yeah, even I feel so. The answer should be, yeah, it looks like it, man. So this is 4950 divided by 9999. When you cancel this number with 99, this is 101s are, and when you divide it by 99, this number, when you divide it by 99, this cancels by 50. Yes. So your answer is 50 upon 101. Yes. So the mistake I made was like considering 2 in the denominator. That was the mistake I made over here, due to which we were not getting the correct answer. So yes, I'll explain the situation once again to you, dear children. So average is equal to sum upon n. Average is 100x. N is 100. Now the sum comprises of 2 parts. One is the sum from 1 to 99, which I've calculated over here using the formula n by 2 multiplied by a plus l, and then x additional. So n by 2 multiplied by a plus l सब साथ में रहना चाहिए, then x additional रहना चाहिए. Okay. Now when you cancel over here, you will get 99 into 50, and when you take this 100 over here, you'll get 10,000. x को इस तरफ लेके आने से 9999x बन जाएगा वो. Therefore x is equal to 4950 upon 9999. That gives you 50 upon 101 when you cancel it by 99.
So 4950 on 9999 is divisible by
99 each.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, why did you take, what was the mistake when you took that 2 with 100 into 2? What was the mistake?
Because this this fraction bar is common for both the terms, the first term and the second term also. But this divide by 2 is supposed to be with the first term only, not the second term. So what did I do? By mistake, मान ले you have a plus b, divide by 2 सिर्फ a के साथ है, मैंने by mistake ऐसा कर दिया उसको. You understood?
Okay.
Hence the
Yes,
answer
sir.
became wrong.
Understood. Okay, sir. I understood.
So the answer is 50 upon 101. Okay. So in 30 seconds, I'll be erasing this. Shall I erase? Okay, I'm erasing this. Yeah. So the next question, wait, we have less time. Let's do one thing. Let's exit the meeting and join again.